So Spain was a fantastic, incredible event, and I must say it was really nice seeing 800 people plus in a room again. After COVID and all of the things that happened in the last few years, it was really good seeing so many people together again. And I believe that this is going to make such a difference for Spain going forward. And I can't wait to see so many new leaders going out, being promoted, being enrolled. And of course, like Gary always says, getting an oil in every home. That's what we want to do. And I can't wait to see the results for Spain coming up in the next year. Thank you, everybody. Nice seeing you.
Ha sido una convención fabulosa, el ambiente que es espectacular, tenéis unos productos que son maravillosos, que ayudan mucho a la gente. Yo me voy a volver fanático de este producto. La verdad es que ha sido una experiencia brutal. Gracias por el trato, gracias por ser tan fantásticas, por el cariño. Muchas gracias por lo que estáis haciendo por esta sociedad.
For me, this event was wonderful. It was a success, and it was so good to see all of your faces, give all the hugs and kisses, hear all of your stories, and be given the opportunity to talk about the foundation and everything that's going on in my little life. It was very happy to be in Barcelona. The last time I was here, I was with my mom for a diamond retreat, and I always wanted to come back, and now since I'm here, I'm very happy to be home. For me, Spain is one of my favorite places in the world. So I'm just happy that I can see all of you and be in Barcelona.